can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Compound. Over the last 1 week, Compound is down 20%. Over the last 1 month, Compound is still up 64%. The million-dollar question is, how low can Compound go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Is altcoin season pump over for Compound? Will Compound start dumping to Gobbling Town? We'll take a look at Compound US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame of tuning the next target to watch out for Compound in the coming days and coming weeks. I believe a final pump is ahead of us. One final pump to take us to the moon. How high will Compound go? We'll also look at Compound's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And finally look at Compound's market cap, which got above the $1.1 billion level. That was a key target we talked about. But right now, it's come back to key support level around that $800 million level. Will Compound continue pumping to the moon? Right now, altcoin season index sells of an altcoin season. We're not on altcoin month. How will that affect the price of Compound? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. If you're new to this channel, you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business. Huge dump in the altcoin market over the last 1 week. Double-digit losses across the board in the altcoin market. Altcoins have a little taste of the dump to Gobbling Town that we're going to see over the course of the bear market. Right now, we only see a 20% decline, and this last week, Bitcoin got to new all-time highs. This last week, we saw Bitcoin go to $108,000 and head back to $100,000. So an 8% swing in the price of Bitcoin caused all coins to dump by more than 20%. The altcoin market is one of the most volatile markets in the world. The only way to survive this market is for you to be ready for big swings to the upside, big swings to the downside. Compound has market cap of $796 million, fully diluted market cap sitting at $898 million, with total value locked at $1.1 billion. The all-time high for Compound happened on the 12th of May 2021. Compound traded for as high as $911. Right now, it's down 89% from that all-time high. If you want to get some Compound for yourself or you want to sell your Compound stash, you can do that on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on OKX, on BitGet, on Kraken, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Let's take a look at Compound's performance against the US dollar. We've seen it found bottom around the $25 level in this bear market. But guys, we've been accumulating for over 2 years right now. Former yearly highs for Compound sat at the $98 level. That was the highest we had seen Compound traded in 2024. But this last rally saw Compound rallying above that $98 level. We saw Compound getting to as high as $136. But we talked about how Compound might find some difficulties around that key level right now. From the $136 level, Compound has retraced back to the $89 region. That's a 35% decline over the last 2 weeks. Altcoins can be very volatile. You can easily see them pumping swiftly to the upside, and then you can see a pullback that will erase most of those gains. But I believe Compound is coming to test that crucial support level that I've been stalking over the last 2 years. The next pump, in my humble opinion, is going to be the final pump. The next pump is going to be the pump where a lot of market participants will FOMO in. They will buy the dip thinking we're going to the moon, and then they'll get wrong-footed by the cryptocurrency market. So I believe there's one final pump. That one final pump might still see Compound rally up by around 100%. We can still get to that $180 level. But remember, in the cryptocurrency market, there's no guarantees. In the cryptocurrency market, nobody's promising you anything. You have to just take what the market gives you and work with it. And right now, we've been accumulating for 2 years. I find it hard to believe that we'll break out of that accumulation for the last 2 that we've been accumulating for the last 2 years and just start heading to Gobbling Town. I'll not be shocked if Compound still rallies to that $170 level. The last time we were trading there was way back in March of 2022. But guys, we have to be honest with ourselves. The altcoin season index tells us right now we're not on an altcoin season. It tells us right now we're not on an altcoin month. The best time to buy altcoins was when we're in deep in Gobbling Town, when we're in the Bitcoin season. The best time to buy altcoins was when we're in the Bitcoin month. But then we're very lucky in 2024. We saw an altcoin month, we saw an altcoin season, and altcoin month happen if 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 30-day period, and an altcoin season happen if 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. Right now, we're not in alt season, we're not an altcoin month, so I'll not be shocked to see a lot of these altcoins start dumping to Gobbling Town. But before that dump begins, I believe we have one final pump to the moon. Just Bitcoin dumping by 8%, send the altcoin market going down 20%. Some altcoins went down 30%. So I want to imagine how hard this altcoin market will dump when Bitcoin has a 40% dump, because it's sure at some point in time in the nearest future, we're going to see Bitcoin dump that hard. We're going to see Bitcoin go down to gobbling town, and the altcoin market will have 50+% dumps, 70+% dumps. Believe me not, it happens every time. We're very, very close to the bear market. A lot of market participants are still stuck in bull mode. They're still stuck in up only. But guys, the up only time in the cryptocurrency market doesn't last forever. It doesn't last a long period of time. You have to take advantage of it when it shows itself. And right now, Compound might be losing value against Bitcoin. I will not be shocked if we see one final pump to the moon for Compound's valuation against Bitcoin. Why am I expecting one final pump to the moon? Guys, the market always ends with a party. It always ends with a bang. So unless Compound has already topped against Bitcoin, I think we're going to see one big pump to the moon. Don't get carried away. When that pump comes, that's the best time to sell. When that pump comes, that's the best time to realize those profits. Your number one job here is to buy low, sell high. There's no guarantees for those 10x, those 50x, those outrageous price predictions you're waiting for. Compound outperforming Bitcoin by 100% will be something to write home about. You look at Compound's performance against Ethereum, similar price action. We've been going sideways over the last 1 year. I expect us to finish the year with a bang. We'll finish the altcoin season with one big bang to get a lot of market participants liquidated. Those people that have been shorting the market, to get the bulls finally FOMOing in. That's how I see the market always ending. I don't think this time will be different. If we look at Compound's market cap, it tells a different story from the price chart. The price chart has not gotten to where we're trading in March of 2022, but Compound's market cap has rallied above that $1 billion level, even getting to as high as the $1.2 billion region. But right now, we've seen a pullback back to the $800 million level. I'll not be shocked if Compound's market cap gives us that one final pump to the moon that takes us back above the $1 billion level. Maybe we find resistance at the $1.5 billion region. But guys, one thing is sure, the next pump will be the one to take some profits off the table. Don't get carried away thinking, you know what, we're going to the moon. 2025 is bullish. Q1 of 2024, the bull market will end in May of 2025. There's no guarantees when the bull market will end. There's no guarantees that history repeats itself. All you have is the price in front of you. All you have is sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Take advantage of it. Buy low, sell high. Compound is a DeFi lending protocol that allows users to earn interest on their cryptocurrencies by depositing them into several pools supported by the platform. You want to avoid using leverage. Guys, leverage is very, very dangerous. I suffered that in the last cycle. I used a lot of leverage. I got liquidated on my big positions. If I'd held on to them without any leverage, I would have had a lot of money right now. We've seen the market go from extreme greed. Right now, there's greed. Before you know it, there will be neutral sentiment in the market. Then we'll enter fear territory. But if you're smart, you're taking some profit off the table in the next big bounce we see in the altcoin market. So guys, drop it out in the comment section. Are you still buying some Compound right now? Do you still believe we'll see all-time highs? If you're bearish just like me, where will you be selling for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.